Welcome back, family. Welcome back to T&J Construction, man. I'm excited. It's been a while. Been super busy with projects here in the United States. T&J USA has been working on some other projects. We've been working on customers drawing for their proposed projects coming up towards the end of the year in Liberia. We are also working with our existing customers on some of the things they are looking to do. So I'm sorry it take this long to put a video out, but again I am back. So stick around and let's take this ride together.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Love is all we need to make it stay.
Not so fast. Not so fast. Hey, first of all, I'd like to take this time to thank all of our customers so far for trusting us, for believing in us. We are so grateful. We don't take your trust lightly, and we're gonna make sure your trust in us is not gonna be in vain. So we can assure you that. And I would like to thank all of our viewers, thank all of our new subscribers. We have had a couple of new subscribers so far, and I am so grateful that you have subscribed. I just want to say thank you for coming on board. And for all our regular viewers that haven't subscribed yet, guys, come on board. Let's make this thing happen, man. T&J is the real deal, and we are here to stay. I promise you that. So coming to us or watching what we're doing, it's not just going to be informative, it's going to be educational too as well. Because we ourselves are learning, okay? We are learning from other people that are doing what we are doing, and we are learning from our customers of the type of quality they are looking for. All right, let's quickly dive into the topics, and then we can go over each and everything. But again, the trip me they're going to be centered around my upcoming trip to Liberia, so I'll talk about that towards the end, and I'll also show you some of the other things we got going. But let's go through the topic. All right, guys, I don't want to miss anything, so I got to go off the list here. So we have our first shipment of building materials from Turkey to Liberia. That's something I want to show you. I just want to tell you. I want you to see for yourself. It already happened. So that's one on the list. We have a little update, a quick update on the Yoda clinic before the rain came and put a stop to us. We were heading somewhere. So I want you to stick around for you to be able to see that too as well. And then for my upcoming trip to Liberia in November, we have already reshuffled our staffs and have added even more due to the demand of what we're going to be doing in Liberia. So we separated our staff, into specific skill sets. So our masons are in one group, our steel benders, our plumbers, our electrician, just our engineers, the foreman. We got everybody separated. So based on our workload towards the end of this year, we're just going to spread the group out. I'm going to be there myself, so we're going to spread the group out, and we're going to probably be even doing more recruitment, because for us to be able to skill, we can't have everybody working on one project at a time before going to the next. So we split the groups into their different skill sets, and whatsoever training that will enhance their craft, we're going to be helping them with that, because our people expect nothing but quality from us. And we also were able to get a drone that we want to be using as we do your project, or if you want for us to go and visit your site, instead of just walking and doing the camera recording. We wanted to give you a bird eye view of your project, of your job site, of your land, and do all the good stuff. So we have started working with the drone. I got a couple of footage for you to see. And another thing, we know that being a little bit of Achilles heels is moving money. Our customers getting their materials money to Liberia. We collect our workmanship here and stuff like that from through bank to bank transaction. But as you can only move $10,000 in cash at a time, out of the country. So we are working with our banks to be able to see what other alternative we have, or what other means we have to be able to move money. And because our business is registered and legit, so it's going to make it easy for us. We just have to fill out some paperwork, and then we can take our customers' money here for both their materials and their workmanship, and we'll be able to take care of the entire thing in Liberia for them. So that take that headache from their head. But the only thing is, whatsoever transfer fee that the bank going to be charging us, we're definitely going to charge that to you, because if they deduct the transfer fee, then which means the money for your materials or the workmanship is also deducted. So we'll figure something out, but definitely want to make sure it's a fee that is affordable, or whatever way we can do it. We are in talks with our banks right now, so we'll get more information I'll get you more information when everything is set and clear. And then we have completed one of our latest project here, and I'm gonna be doing similar thing, building similar thing in Liberia. I'm not gonna tell you where it is, but you want to stick around towards the end of the video so you can be able to see it. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching. But let's first go to our first topic, which is the shipment of materials that's left Turkey for Liberia. All right, let's check it out so you can see for yourself and know that, oh, okay, the guys don't just talk the talk, but yes, they walk the walk. So the first shipment of building materials from Turkey, has already happened, and it's en route right now as we speak to Liberia. Okay, guys, let's check it out. All right, now that you have seen the first shipment from Turkey to Liberia, now let's check out the latest update we had before the rain shut us down on the Yoda Clinic. Let's check
before
it out
the weather
together, guys.
changed. This is where we were. Yeah, this is where things was casting all the 14, and then we went into the black laying process. As you can see, we have completed almost most part of the block laying process, brought it up to the beam level. See, the wobble have been put in place to do the tabbing before we can do the backfilling and then compact. But the tab beam is done to help receive the weight of the superstructure, or to help distribute the weight evenly of the superstructure throughout the rest of the building, down toward the foundation and down toward the bearing soil. So that was that. Just continuing to watch. Yep. As you can see, because of the slope of the land, some of the blocks are lower, some are higher. But yeah, that was that. So this team we have on this site will remain on this site, and we want to have some of our other team that we already put together. Plumbers, electricians, steel benders, all the skill guys. Spread them out to the other job sites. So this is how, when the wobble come out after the casting, this is how it looked like. We left some of these steel sticking up because we're gonna, once we do the backfilling and compact, we're gonna tie in the steel that are gonna be going on the floor into those steel before we cast the floor for this clinic. So that's why you see some of the steel are sticking out around the perimeter of the building from the beam. Okay, guys. So that's how far we were before the weather switch. And that's the only update. We started the rough plumbing, the rough electrical, because some of them has to be buried within the concrete. We don't want to do anything that come by and start to break through concrete to insert pipes and wires, cables and stuff like that. So we bury them within the concrete, and as we go. Yep. And you can look at the walls, guys, how straight and neat they are. You can see the richness of the mortar.
Okay, let's look at the short drone footage that I have for you guys. I'm new to the whole drone thing, so if anybody out there that is expert drone pilot, please leave me some tip in the comment section, or you can reach out to me. But yeah, the first drone we got, I ordered to break the arm. I had to get another one, and now we are working with this one, and things is coming together. So yeah, well, let's check the footage out so you can see that yeah, we don't just want to show you just regular video. We want to give you a bird's eye view of your project. And if you want for us to go and see your site and stuff like that, definitely it's gonna come with a fee for us to be able to get out there, do our assessment, and get you some videos and pictures from the air and from around your property. All
Yep.
right, let's check the drone footage
So
out.
we got the second one. See, I'm a partner over the practicing, training, coaching each other up, pretty much doing this on the fly, guys. Yeah, we'll order put it into the air, get some footage of neighborhood and stuff like that. And we have been practicing since. I think our skill level is up there now. Not quite there yet, but we definitely can give you the photos, the shots you're gonna need for your project.
Okay, before I show you our latest project that I will be implementing, I'll be doing similar thing in Liberia. You're gonna love it. I'm sure you're gonna want something like that too. Just to give the whole construction, scene a different vibe. You understand? So, hey, we're gonna be taking a little bit of what we know here and bringing it to Liberia and showing it there too. So Yeah, so let's check it out. But before we do that, we have already completed our prototype block molds for some of the cost-saving blocks that we are going to be introducing to the market this year. When I get to Liberia, we're going to be showing you sample of the block. So we have a semi-interlocking block, so it's interlock on one end, and you can use a 10-quarter mortar on the other end, which is going to cut down your block laying expense down by at least 15 to 20%. And that's money that can be used to accelerate your project, or that can go to other things that you want done. So we are working on that. We're going to be introducing bin block, column blocks to eliminate the use for wawa bowl, once doing your project. So those are the kind of blocks we're talking about. And then the interlocking blocks to speed up, not just cut down on cost, but it's also speed up the work as we go. So yeah, but now, hey, let me show you what we're talking about here that I'm going to be doing. This one I'm going to be going to my house first. I like to be the guinea pig. I'll be building one on my own personal home first. I extended deck from the top of my garage, and so you can see that it can be done in Liberia. We have the technique, we have the know-how to use wood and preserve it well for it to stand the test of time. In fact, all the old Congo settlement buildings, they have been there for 100 years. So everything comes down to maintenance. Once you can maintain your property, everything is good. All right, now let's check this project out so you can see some of the other things we do besides just building.
So this was the deck.
All right, guys,
we did.
check it out.
As you can see, this is a 10-foot high deck. We added the stairs with a twist, and you can use similar design, building design structure for a gazebo in your yard or whatever. But I mean, this is a composite deck. I'm going to be doing similar thing to my house in Liberia, but it's not going to have a stairs coming down it because the stairs is from within the house. You can only come onto the deck from in the house. So, but this is what we just completed here, and I think it's turned out good so far.